Hey, it's Todd, your favorite roofer, Sunbelt Roofs. In the Marigny Bywater area of New Orleans, kind of sits above the French Quarter, actually kind of downstream, but it looks like it's upstream. A historic property here. We're going to be doing a wind mitigation enhanced roof installation on this historic property. We'll be using Malarkey impact rated shingles, and we're just going to better protect this house. It's actually two pieces there with the courtyard. And you can see at the top of that parapet, they have some vegetation growing out. We're going to clean that all up and seal it to prevent water intrusion from doing further damage, and get it sealed up so they don't have water coming into the wall, which causes more damage. But again, we're Marigny Bywater, New Orleans, getting ready to do this job next week. We'll keep you updated. From your favorite roofer, Todd, Sunbelt Roofs.